everybody, today we're making a new order. जो ऊपर आप देख रहे हैं pink ball candle इसका order है, and the customer wants it in pink and they want baked vanilla scent. Now baked vanilla is definitely one of my top 3 favorite fragrances of all time.
I use this funnel for pouring, but it's not mandatory. इतना ज़रूरी नहीं है. It just helps with pouring the wax slowly, और वो end में जो eventually surface finish है वो lesser air bubbles की वजह से बेहतर होती है. आप इसके बगैर भी pour कर सकते हैं.
A few moments later.
So, there you have it. What do you think? I hope you like it. To me, it looks absolutely beautiful and smells yummy. Please do show your support by liking this video and sharing our profile. Also, don't forget to follow it. I hope you all unwind in peace.